So what they, for that particular purpose, no, they hide their identity. Now, what is your identity online on the internet? Guys, what's your
My IP.
internet?
The IP.
The IP address, exactly. So IP address is your identity online. Whenever you're visiting any website, when you're performing any type of scanning or any random thing online, when you're connected to any particular network, IP address is your identity. IP address is the face of your device. IP address is basically everything for you, right? One is IP address, another is MAC address. Okay, MAC address is basically the physical address of your device. IP address is the address of your particular network, and MAC address is the is the address of your device, which is way too unique. We also call it physical address. We'll come to physical address, MAC address. First, let us talk about IP address. Okay. At any point of time, right now, we have IPv6, which came in the market. Means Internet Protocol version 6. Before we have IPv4. Okay. Still, people are using IPv4. Okay, we have already come up with IPv6, but still we have IPv4 already running in the market. So, never mind. Don't know when it will exist. Okay. Now, how do you find the IP address of your particular system? How do you find the IP address?
Well, there's like some
IP config.
some ways.
I'll tell you how do you find the IP address. So all you have to do is just go online. Okay, on the Google, just write
My
what's
So
my
what
IP.
is my
Okay, it will tell you the IP address. So online, so there are two type of IP address. One is public IP, another is private IP. So when you're talking about internet, when you're talking about online stuff, right? At that point of time, this is the IP address we talk about. We are talking about. But when you are inside a network and you want to look for the IP addresses connected to your particular network, at that point of time, we're talking about the private IP, which is basically, sorry. So when you're scanning a network, at that point of time, the IP address you're talking about is your private IP. So IP config will tell you the private IP of your device. Okay, this is the private IP. When you're talking about network scanning, but when you're talking about the IP address while communicating to the internet, this is the IP address while you're communicating with the internet. So this is what I mean when you open google.com, when you open subgraph Vega or any random website. Okay, this is the IP address which is get logged onto the other end. So Google knows, okay, this IP address is asking for google.com, right? Suppose you are attacking on a website, suppose Indian government website, if you're attacking, right? You have not hidden your IP address, nothing. So this will be the IP address which will be basically going on to the other end. Okay, so this is your identity. Now, how they will get to know, okay, where this IP address is? What they will do? They will copy the IP address. They'll just go online and they'll write what IP to locator location. So this is the basically it will scan your IP address and it will find out the address of your IP address. Okay, IP to location. Click on try demo. Enter your IP over here and it will give you the address of your device. So just it's already entered. Quick look up. And if you come down, it says this is the IP address, right? It's in India. That's totally correct. It's in UP. That's totally correct. It's in Noida right now. Totally correct. And these are the coordinates where this particular ISP is, Internet Service Provider. Okay, so it's not showing you the location of my house. It's showing the location of the person of the services, the particular company who is providing me the services, which is Internet Service Provider, ISP. So it will take you to the ISP, then ISP will tell you, okay, which particular IP address this belongs to. This belongs to Mr. Kunal. He'll basically guide this particular 10 police to my house. They having the all the addresses and everything. This is the time right now 1:40 and domain is airtel.in. Right. So this way you can get to know where the person is, where the person belongs to, which particular area. Then using this particular technique, you can reach to the person and you can catch him. Right. So that is why it is very, very important to hide the IP address. It is very, very important to basically secure your identity. Now, how do we secure our identity? We have two possible ways, two, three possible ways for it to be anonymous. How?
Okay.
First is your VPNs. We use VPN to hide our IP address. So there is one VPN, UltraSur. Okay, there are hell lot of VPNs, paid VPNs, free VPNs. You can use any of them, right? You just Google online free VPNs or download VPN for this particular browser. For every specific browser, we have different VPNs. So it is not a possibility UltraSurf is working here. It will work for Mozilla as well. No, it might not work for Mozilla. So for different browsers, we have different VPNs. So you can also download like that. Okay. Now, you know what is my IP address right now, which is 22.190 something something. Let's write it down. This is the IP address, right? Now, as soon as I start my UltraSurf is the VPN I am using. So you can see it has started. Now it's in fire, everything. It says it's connected. Now if I do, what is my IP? Now it says my IP is 72.52.87.49. It changed my IP address. It changed the address of my system, right? Now if I'll go and look for this particular IP, where this IP belongs to. So, okay. Now this is the IP of my system right now. This belongs to US. It changed the address of my system, right? It's from California. Where in California? Fremont, sorry. Right, and these are the coordinates. Now if police found something like I performed some crime,